Hi friends, welcome to Tech Arkit YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see that we are going to see how to edit any file, how to write the content to this using the Nano. So Nano is a editor which is better than the Pico, which is the text editor, so which gives you more colored output whenever you configured with the any languages. Example, say that if you configured with the shell scripting, then it enables you to write the scripts with the colored output, okay, and smooth scrolling and simply control keys, so it does not have the multiple modes to confuse you. It's simply straightforward to do that. Okay, example, say over here I just have some files and I would like to edit this timestamp file over here using this nano and provide the file name. So the file will be edited over here, and here you can write the content straightforwardly. There is no other modes. Okay, you can go up and down with using and this side and this side using the arrow keys, or you can also use Control A, okay, Control E, okay. Control A in the sense you go home, and Control O in the sense end of the line, and in similar to the home keys and end keys. Okay, go to starting of the line, ending of the line, like that. You can move the cursors over here, or you can also use beginning of the paragraph. Example, say this is testing file, something like this. So this is a different paragraph. So if you'd like to go from one paragraph to another paragraph, you can also use alt place, alt the braces, which means that 0 character over here. Okay, you can use this above and below, so which go to the paragraph to paragraph, which means that you can use alt place these braces, and you can also use these braces, so that you can move this paragraph up and down. Okay, alt, and you can use open braces and close braces. Okay, go up, go down, go up, go down, like something like this. You can also use the page by page reading. You can also use alt place pipe sign, alt place the pipe sign. Okay, you can use page by page, go down and go up, something like this. This alt or forward slash and backward slash also you can use to by read page by page. If you have multiple pages, you can simply press up, go down, something like this. Okay, so pages by pages you can move these cursors by go up and go down and all the stuff. So you can also do this insertings, deletings and overriding the files. Okay, you can simply go to the example, say that press Control K, which cut the line. Again you can press this Control K, it will cut the line. If you want to paste it, again you can simply press Control U over here, so it will paste that content over here. So inserting and deleting you can use over here, copy paste. Okay, Control Alt K, something like this you can use to. If you want to copy, you can also use Alt 6, so which will copy over here, and you can simply use Alt Control plus U to paste over here, something like this. Okay, Alt plus 6 will be copying the content, and Control plus U is the pasting the line. Okay, or you can also, if you want to cut the line, you can simply use Control K, which can be cut the line, and Control U, okay, which can be uncut the line, which means that cut and paste. So if you want to find and replace any stuff over here, you can also simply use by pressing Control W, which will search the content. Say that this where it is, so it's going to be search for that content over here. Or if you want to replace that keyword searching over here, if you want to replace, you can also use alt R. So this is like replace this with that. Okay, replace. So example say that sorry, alt R, and you can say this with that. So it's going to be replaced. Do you want to replace all? It will simply say a, so that this has been replaced with the that. Like this, you can use nano command to do all the stuff, scrolling up and down, editing, go and all the stuff. But here, more than this one, you can simply press Ctrl X, which will ask you to modify the file. Say if you say yes, then the file will be modified and append with the content. Okay, this is super easy of the nano command, but this has more features than this one. So example say that if you edit this nano, okay, /etc nano rc file, so which can be show your colored output. So how you can, right now it should show on color like this. Enable any language color, so that's enable only one color at the same time. So that's about the commands. Thanks for watching. Please follow us on social networking sites. If you have any technical related questions, you can ask.